This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Realtek adapter model in Device Manager. This ensures you fetch the correct package. Next, check your Windows version and build so the driver matches system architecture. Once done, download the official driver from the device maker or Realtek. Avoid third-party sources. Make sure to save the installer to an easy path like downloads. While it downloads, close bandwidth-heavy apps so the file completes without corruption and you're ready for the install step. You start by uninstalling the old driver in Device Manager to remove conflicts. Choose to delete driver files if prompted. Then run the downloaded installer as administrator so it has proper permissions, and follow prompts. Select a clean install or full replacement if available to overwrite legacy files. During setup, watch for optional bundled software and deselect if unwanted. Once the installer reports success, reboot the PC to let Windows bind the new driver and network stack. After restart, verify the driver version in Device Manager. You finish by testing Wi-Fi connectivity and checking adapter properties to confirm the new driver date and version. This proves the update applied correctly. If you lose connectivity, run Windows Network Troubleshooter, then reboot. If problems continue, open Device Manager and use Rollback Driver to restore the previous version. Make sure to keep the installer for future reinstalls and watch the OEM for stable updates. If performance remains poor, consider trying an alternate OEM driver build or a clean Windows Network reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.